Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months. Once done, enable two-step verification and verify your channel identity to secure payments. Next, go to YouTube Studio, open Monetization, accept the partner program terms, and click to create or link an AdSense account. You do this now because payments, policy checks, and revenue routing require an active linked AdSense profile before publishing monetized content. Now focus on the content and channel settings that determine revenue. In YouTube Studio, choose ad formats, enable channel memberships and merch if eligible, and configure midrolls for longer videos. Make sure every video follows advertiser-friendly policies. When in doubt, self-certify content and add precise metadata and captions because algorithmic checks and manual reviews rely on those signals. Also declare reused content or paid promotions up front. These steps reduce demonetization risk and speed up. Finally, submit your channel for monetization review as soon as you hit thresholds. You'll get an email when the review finishes. If approved, enable ads on videos and monitor revenue in analytics. If rejected, read the policy feedback carefully, fix or remove flagged videos, and reapply after corrections. Make sure you track AdSense account status and any strikes. One troubleshooting tip: if reviews stall, check that channel visibility is public, linked AdSense is active, and there are no copyright or community guideline strikes blocking approval.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.